Hello everybody, myself Motahir, and today we will discuss about our project which is given by Edyoda. My project is a blog project which backend part is totally based on Django framework. So now let's start our project. So this is my project. It is a blog project. So these are my blogs. You see they here. They are in a card form, and every row we have three cards, and this is all of my blog. So now start from beginning. In the beginning we have a logo, and in second we have a search bar. In search bar we give some query, and that gives us some result. Like when I give here typical and click on search, it fetches the data which title is starts with typical, so we get a blog. Similarly, if I type it from, then again I get a data, or I get a blog which title is start with from. This is the work of search bar. And after that we have three options like home, login and contact us. When we click on home, then it will take us to the home page. This is our home page, and it is then after that we have a login button. When I click on login, then it takes us to the another page which give us a form which takes username or email, and another one is password. It is basically for login part to enter this web page. Then after this we have a contact us form. In this form it requires name, email and contact. We talk about later. Now go to home page. In home page we have some apps, some blogs, and we have the category of that blogs. When anyone click on any category, like when I click on programming language, I get all the data which belongs to programming language category. Like when I click on artificial intelligence, then I get these three blocks. They all are belongs to artificial intelligence. When I click on technology and tools, again I get two blocks. So this is the category of the block. When anyone click any of the category, then he get the data according to that. Like when I click on others, then I get this one. Clear? When I click on any category, it fetches the data according to that particular category. And if I click on all, it will show me all the blocks. Clear? When a new user comes to this web page and he saw these blocks and he tried to read these blocks, or he tried to get the details view of any particular blog, then he can't, because when he click on any blocks, then it is send him to the login page. That means only logged in user can see the details of the blog, any particular blog. If you are not logged in, you just show only show the blogs with minimum information. So to get all the details for that blocks, if to read that block, particular block, when you click any particular block, then it is send you to a login page. So there you log in. Then after, when I am login, like I say give my username and password, when I click on login, it will take me to the detail page, detail view of that particular blog. This is the blog. As your soft skill tips to crack the job interview. This is my details of that particular blog. So in the above I get two options, like one is update and another one is delete. Similarly, at the bottom of this we get some details about that particular blog, like who is the author of that blog, what is the title of that blog, what is the category of that blog, and last date or date published or last updated date. So when I click on that particular category, it take me to the category page. That means it take me to that, for that particular category how many blogs are there. Or when I click on the author, then it takes me to the author part. For that particular author, how many blogs are there. That means here is the author is Motahir, so we fetch all the data about Motahir. That means Motahir have 4 blogs. One more thing, in the above we get some details like title, and after that we get two options, one is update and one is delete. When I click on update part, then it show me 403 error. Why? Because when a particular author try to change or edit or update or delete the blog of another author, then he can't. It is show him 403 error. Like here is the author is Motahir and logged in user is Pawan. When Pawan try to update him it, then he get 403 error. Similarly, when he try to delete that, then again he get 403 error. But when that Pawan is a login user and the author is Pawan, like here the author is Pawan, when he try to update this, then it is send him to the update page. This is the update form. Here is the, this is my rich text editor. When I click on full screen, then this is my full screen where I type the content, and this is the category published. This is my image. When I click on update, then it will take me to the thank you page. That means the blog is updated. Here is that blog. Similarly, when I click any particular blog which author is the logged in user, then if I click on delete button, then it will take me to the another page, that is, are you want to delete your post. If I click on delete, then my post is deleted. Like here, if I click on delete, then it take me to the thank you page. That means successfully my blog is deleted. Click on home, then my blog is deleted. Now if I try to get the details of that particular user, that means I am a logged in user and I want to see my profile. When I click on this welcome user, then it takes me to the my profile page. Here is my profile page, here is my profile image, here is my biodata, and here is my first name, last name, username, email, contact, and category. Here this category is A. That means Pavan is a author. Pavan is a author. When I click on update part, then it gives me a update form. Like update of a blog, particular blog, it is also similar. For that I fill these forms, then click on update, then it is successfully updated. Like now if I try to change this contact number and I click on update, then it is send me to the home page. That means when I click on, this is my updated mobile number. Similarly, if I try to change my password, then I click on change password. It is send me to a form, which form required old password and my new password as well. And when I click on submit, then it send me to the success page. Yeah, that is your password is changed, thank you. That means my password is successfully changed. When I click on this is my profile, my password is successfully changed. So I am, my category is A, that means I am an author. If I click on create blog, then I create a new blog. When I click on my blog, then I got blog which is written by myself. That means here in my blog we get the blogs which author is the login user. That means here the logged in user is Pawan, so these all blogs belongs to him. When I click on published blog, then I get her published blog. When I click on draft blog, here is nothing for me. That is, I have no draft blog. When I click on published blog and I go to this and try to update this and make it, it make it draft. Then when I click on update, then it is send me thank you. When I click my blog, when I click on draft blog, now see this is my draft blog. So click on this and try to update again and make it published, then update again. It is, I have in draft blog I have nothing, and in published blog this is the published blog. Clear? Now click on home button. This is, so now go to the first view of this web page. Now I click on logout, then I come to this. So any anonymous user can't go the details view, they first logged in. So now when I click on login, then he gives me this form, and the last of this he gives two lines, that is, if you have not any account then sign up, then if you forgot the password then reset it. Now I go in sign up, that is, I think I am new user, so I go to sign up. Now I get a form. Now I fill this form. Now here I mention the category, like I change it author or reader. According to this my all function are happen in future. Like I choose it like a reader. Now I give him a profile picture, like this is my profile picture, and here I am saying some biodata. It takes me, this is my biodata. I just write this, nothing more that. Now if I click on sign up, then it's can't take it. I think user is already exist. Sub one, sub one, this is sub one, sub one. When I click on sign up, then it take me to the home page which is already logged in. That means when I click on sign up, it fetches the username and password from that sign up form. If these all are valid, then it takes to the login part, and then it take it as the data, get data, and send me to the logged in home page. That is my home page. I am logged in now. When I click on one community sub one, then if this is my profile, my last name is blank and my contact is blank. Here is the category is reader, so I am a reader. I can't perform add, delete, update part of the in any particular blog. Like when I want to create a blog, then it show me 403 error because I am a reader. So when I click on home, if I click on any of the particular blog and I try to update that, it will also send me the same error. Similarly, for delete part, it will also send me the 403 error. So a user can't change or update, delete any part of or any things from the blog. He only view that blog, like I only read the information about that blog. I can't do more than that. Now if I click on this, is the home page, the details page of that. Now I I click on Edyoda, that now I am logged out. So if I try to log in and log in with the author account, like Pavan is author, and I try to go here by mail ID, that it also take username or mail. So I go with my mail ID and I click on login. Then I go to the logged in view page, home page. Now I click create blog and I try to make another blog in the same name. So I click here and here I click give this data, make it published like artificial intelligence, and choose from image. I choose this image and make it submit. Then it automatically submitted. That means created blog. Then when I click on submit, then automatically submitted. When I click on home page, when I click on my blogs, click on published blog. So my blog, published blog is this. This is my published blog. Now if I click on delete, then it takes me to this. Yeah, I want to delete this. Now if any user forgot his password, then here we have an option to reset it. When I click on reset it, it will send me to a page which take my email. He needs email, so I give that this email rishabh@gmail.com. Then I click on submit. Then that's said me that we send a link to your mail. So here it is sent to my terminal. This is my terminal, so I copy the link. When I used it here, then it send me to your a new password page, where we have a form that is new password and new password confirmation. When I change the password, sorry, when I set the password new password, then I click reset. Now your password is changed, thank you. So my password now is, this is all about my blog project. Thank you all.